कल वाइवा है, and you got liver to demonstrate, don't worry. Just remember few things. Firstly, hold it in right region as it is the organ of right side. आप जिस रीजन में इसे होल्ड करते हो दैट होल्ड्स मार्क्स. सेकेंडली, होल्ड इट इन सच अ वे कि आपका गॉल ब्लैडर जो है वो इंफीरियर सरफेस पे है, ना कि पोस्टीरियर. नाउ जस्ट इंट्रोड्यूस द ऑर्गन. इट इज द ऑर्गन ऑफ डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम. इट इज द लार्जेस्ट ग्लैंड इन द बॉडी. Its primary function is bile secretion and metabolic function. It weighs 1.6 kg in male and 1.2 kg in female. It is a wedge-shaped organ located in the right hypochondrium region, greater part of epigastrium, and extends into left hypochondrium. It has 5 surfaces: superior, anterior, inferior, right surface, and posterior surface. The inferior surface is well demarcated as it has a prominent inferior border. Now, the inferior border is having fossa for gallbladder. Talking about the lobes, it has 2 main lobes, the right lobe and the left lobe, separated by a falciform ligament. Falciform ligament attaches it to the outer abdominal wall, providing stability. The right lobe is the greater part as it constitutes 5/6 part, and the left lobe constitutes 1/6 part. The right lobe is further having 2 accessory lobes, the caudate lobe and the quadrate lobe, located on the posterior and inferior side respectively. The caudate lobe is located on the posterior surface, having inferior vena cava on its right side, porta hepatis on its inferior side, and the fissure for the ligamentum venosum on its right side. The superior surface of the caudate lobe continues with the superior surface of the liver. Talking about the quadrate lobe is quadrangular in shape. It is having fossa for the gallbladder on its right side, the fissure for the ligamentum teres on its left side. The inferior surface continues with the inferior surface of the body and having porta hepatis on its posterior border. That's it. You are good to go. Thank you.